Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez, and today I'm going to be cleaning. I'm going to be doing a power hour of just my living room, and this is after Christmas cleaning. It is today the 26th of December. Sorry, I had to really think about that. We weren't home for the 24th or the 25th, so this is a lot of stuff that is everywhere. It's very messy, but again, it's after Christmas, so there's wrapping paper on the floor from when we brought in gifts, from when I had to do last minute Christmas gift wrapping, some laundry that I had to do for Christmas Eve. So there's just stuff everywhere. It's a huge mess. That's why I'm dedicating the entire power hour to just cleaning my living room. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a new video. Also, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and also share it with friends and family. That really helps my channel out. It helps it to grow, and it helps for more people to see all of the videos that I do. So thank you in advance for that. Now let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and show you my list. I do have quite a lengthy list, especially because it's just a power hour and it's just one room. But trust me, when I start cleaning, you're going to see why it's such a long list. I do still have my Christmas tree out. I won't take it out, off, down, whichever of the words is correct. I'm not going to do that until probably tomorrow. And let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that video, because I'm going to try and get this video edited and out for you as soon as possible. So here is my list of things that I need to clean. It is amongst the mess, but that's what we have going on. The light is going to go in and out because it is later on in the day and it's been raining, so it's cloudy. But basically I'm going to clean my living room. I'm going to clean the floor, sweep the floor, take out some trash, arrange the pillows, and throw a blanket for my couch. I have to put away the laundry, so I have a lot of clothes on my couch. I'm going to clean and clear this nightstand, clean and clear the coffee table and the top and the bottom. I do need to also mop the living room because it has some dirt by the door. I'm going to put away all our gifts and gather and put away the Christmas wrapping paper. I don't do these in order. It's just as I look around the house, I see the mess, and that's what we're going to go ahead and do right now. All I need to do is write the time. Right now it is 4:20, so I'll probably write like 4:21, 4:22 by the time I get my tripod set up. But let's just get on to cleaning. Obviously, I had to start here because I had a mess. Most of it is just trash and misplaced items, but we did have a lot of dinner stuff here and breakfast from basically 3 days, because again, we were just in and out, so stuff landed there and it stayed there. So let me go ahead and get this top portion cleaned up, and then we'll move on to the bottom of my coffee table. As always, I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's. Right now I am still using my Christmas pine scent. I love this. I use it all winter long. I wasn't able to buy backups this time around, but that's just because I have other cleaning supplies that I want to get through, because I am going to talk about this more in another video, but I am trying to use less items just all around my house. I'm not becoming a minimalist, but I am having that mindset in what I bring in and out of my home. I got some yummy chocolates for Christmas along with a Hobby Lobby gift card, so I'll be doing a haul pretty soon. And as you can see, I did sneak in some chocolate covered espresso beans from Starbucks. Highly recommend if you love coffee and chocolate, by the way. I came over to my list thinking that I was going to cross out a lot of things off of it, and I was disappointed because I didn't. I thought I had done a lot, but I made my list very vague, so I didn't cross off a lot of things. I personally like the satisfaction of crossing items off of my list, and if you are like me and it motivates you to continue cleaning, what I recommend you do is do a very detailed long list. It may seem daunting at first when you see a very long list, but once you start getting stuff done and you see that very little time has passed by, it keeps you motivated to continue doing more. So for example, instead of writing pick up dirty clothes from the floor, I would write pick up socks from this area, pick up shirt from this other area, pick up pants, or whatever other item of clothes that you have wherever they may be. These are just kind of examples, but I recommend doing that. It really helps me keep motivated when I see a lot of stuff that needs to get done. So just a little cleaning tip that I have for you. Yay, I get to cross off items off of the list this time around. Now I'm going to go ahead and get started on my laundry, but first I need to remove these miscellaneous items that I had moved from my coffee table onto my couch. Now first I am going to separate, because I have a lot of just random stuff here, all the clothes from the towels, and then you're going to see me separate like all of the undergarments, pajamas, socks from the clothes. I'm going to separate those elsewhere because that's kind of personal, and both my son and my husband would kill me if I showed any of that on here anyways. Now, I hope I'm not alone, but I do not like the whole karate chop look on my pillows. Leave me a comment down below if you are for or against it. I personally just don't like the look of it on my couch, so leave me a comment. I hope I'm not alone. cleaned all of this area. Sorry for the camera being wobbly, but it's on my tripod. It's my third time reheating my coffee. Haven't drank it yet since I've started cleaning. I got the couch cleared up. There's the bag of trash. The kitchen is a mess. I'll do another cleaning video for that. This is what I have left. So I have to put away my, what is this? Like ladder step stool. And I need to put away all of that. Everything else is clean. I'm going to sweep. I'm actually going to vacuum the floors, and I think that's going to be it. I'm not gonna mop, mainly because I want to get started on dinner and I want to finish getting ready for when my husband gets here. That's why my hair was a little unruly in the intro. So I just need to finish my makeup and do my hair for when my husband gets home today from work. So that's what I'm gonna work on, and I think that's going to be it. I'm gonna go cross off the rest of the items off of my list and I'll start cleaning. I love vacuuming for many reasons. One of them being I love using my Dyson because it cleans so well. It's kind of an expensive product to buy, but trust me, it's worth it. Personally, for my home and the use that I have for it, it fits perfectly into our lives. The second reason is there is nothing better than fresh vacuum lines. Who doesn't love vacuum lines? Now, I have floors. But I still love to see where it left a really clean area. But the most important reason is that means that we are coming close to finishing up with our cleaning, since you do that at the end. And I'm all done. The light of day is leaving me, but I'm done, and that's the good thing. Nothing on the couch, nothing on the coffee table, top and bottom. Nothing on my TV stand. That had a bunch of stuff. I already went ahead and marked on my list. Again, I'm going to mop later on tonight. Everything is done except taking out the trash. But again, just happy that everything is nice and clean. Oops, I forgot to put away those. I'm gonna go ahead and do those right now. I had not even seen them, but it's all clean. Finally, you can see a preview into the mess that I have in the kitchen, but again, that's going to be a separate video. I'll be mopping tonight. Hi, kitty. Hopefully I'll have time right now to drink my coffee. I'm going to finish getting myself ready for when my husband comes back from work, and I'm going to go ahead and get dinner started. Hopefully have time to drink my coffee. Did I already say that? I feel like I've already said that. And I'm about to change from my comfy socks to put on some shoes and take out the trash, and that'll be it. I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. My cleaning videos don't tend to do that well, but you guys requested them, so I want to continue doing some cleaning videos for you. Hopefully tomorrow I'm going to film putting away Christmas, both my tree and some of my decor. I'm just going to put down anything that screams Christmas and just leave some simple winter decor. Again, thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. That really helps my channel out a lot. So thank you for doing that in advance. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and bye-bye.